Hello everyone, this is Grandma Hannah. Welcome. Today I want to show how I grow my vegetable garden. I will show you the one I grow now and the one I grew last year. I want to show you. Since 2024, planting and harvest. How I get the seed, the one I buy for store. Then I take the seed and plant. When I plant it, then I water it in the morning, evening. Any day rain come, I no go water. It be so I make it. Then it grows small. Then I plant. This year I start planting my seed in April. It depending the weather. I dey follow the weather. When the weather good, April. This year be April. I do it. Here I'm harvesting the small grade tomatoes. I use the tomatoes to do jollof rice, stew, and salad. This is 2023, planting and harvest. 23 is good harvest, so I'm happy. So I want to tell you to 2024 too is good. So I'm showing you people how I get. Anytime I make another harvest, I'll come back to show you people. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.